My name is Jemmy, and today I'm going to be showing you some functions of operators and or not, and I'm going to be showing you true or false. So like 1 is more than 2, is that true or false? False, right? So I'm going to show you how to do that in Python. First of all, let's start off with true or false. Now in here it's pretty interesting because you can change it to different ways, okay? So let me just show you the basics of it first. So here, x equals to 1 more than 2, right? And then we do print x. Do you think that this is going to be true or false? False, right? Okay. False. There we go. False. Which means that it's false. So yeah, this is the simple basics of it. What if we do something interesting? What if we put in inputs and stuff? Okay, let's see. Let's use our technique from our last video, which is inputs, to apply to this project. So first of all, remember to name your project or else you're gonna get confused. So let me just name this true/false. Okay. Now, after this, let's just say something like input, and then type a question like, is 1 greater than 2? And then question mark, boom, bam, like that, and then they'll have to answer it. And once they answer it, we just print out, and they can check by themselves if it's correct. So like this, and then print and then wait, let's just put x up here. X 1 greater than 2. Put that equal sign, okay? And then print the answer is, oh wait, let's just say print x. There we go. Let's just see what it does. Okay, it runs. Is 1 greater than 2? Let's just say true. How about true? Okay, they'll say it's false, which means that the correct answer is false. So yeah, it's pretty fun. You can change it to a bunch of different stuff. Just remember to change this one too. And yeah, that's true or false. Pretty simple, right? If you want to know if this will work, then we could change it this way. Less, okay, sorry for hitting the microphone, it might be a little loud. Is 1 less than 2? True. And it's correct, see? So yeah, that's true or false. Now moving for the second one is operators for and, or, and not. So there's 3 operators, as I said before, and, or, and not. Let me explain them first. And if there's a false and true, right? Then if you combine the false and true, and we'll say that it's false. Okay, so if there's false and true combined, it's false. But if it's false and false combined, false, true and true, true. Okay, that's and. For or, if there's a true and false, it's going to say it's true. Okay, so there's x and y. Okay, pretend and x is true, y is false, and then it x or y, and then it says it's true. If it's both wrong, both false, then it's false. Both true, then it's true. Not if it's true, it's false. If it's false, it's true. Simple, right? Okay. Now moving on, I'm going to show you how to use it in code. So in here we can do like x equals to 10. X equals to 10 and 10 greater than 2. Okay? And then print x first. Right? Okay. Sorry for hitting the microphone. X, and then let's just comment all of these. Okay, there we go. And then here we will probably see a true. Okay, true. Yes, true. However, if we put in front of print not x. Let's see. Not. Okay. Sorry, wrong place. Right here. Okay. No, that would mean it's a variable name. Where do I put it again? Print. No, I don't think you need print for this one, right? Not x. Oh, nope, no, I figured it out. Z equals to not x. So we print Z. Haha, I'm smart, you know. Okay, let's see. False. There we go. And that's how you invert, or as you can say, outvert a true into a false. However, if we switch it around like this, it should become a true. Even though this is false, but it's revert the x and then print the z, which is revert x's, which means that it's going to be true. Let's look. True. As we can see, that's the basic operator of not. Let's change it, okay? So let's say that this is false, right guys? This is false, right? Because 10 is greater than 2, but this is 10 is less than 2. So x is false. How about we create a y? Y equals to 2 is less than, you can put them together if you want, less than 10. What about this? And then we're going to print y, parentheses, y, parentheses, and then we say and y and x, and then print z. So false, as I said before. And if you have a true and false, combine it together, it's going to be false, okay? However, if you have a true and true combined, it's going to be true. Okay, let's see if we can revert this. Okay, like that. True. 2 is less than 10. Whoops. And then 10 is greater than 2. There. Now it should be true. And it's true. There we go, guys. Now for both false, as we know, it's going to be false. So 10 is less than 2, and 2 is greater than 10. Now it's going to be false. Okay, here, false. There we go. You're getting the hang of it, right? It's pretty simple. However, if we do an or, and one of them is true, okay, then it's going to be true. Okay, look, true. There we go. Because this y is true and x is false. However, for or, if one of them is false, then and one of them is false, one of them is true, then it's true. Okay. However, if one of them is true, the other one is true, then it's true. False, false is false. Okay. Let me just demonstrate it. So now this is both false. Okay. So if we click it, it should be false. False. There we go. Now let's do both true. Less than, and then go up here, and then there. Now let's play. True, see? Because both of them are true. Nice. Now let's do, oh, we're done actually. So that was pretty simple, guys. It's the lesson for today. True and false and operators. So I hope you found something hopeful in this lesson, something useful, and you can apply to your project. So yeah, I'll see you in the next episode. Bye. I hope you found something useful.